Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be learning how to do this Origami Aeroplane. For this I'll be taking 15 cm by 15 cm square sheet of paper and I'll be starting with the plus crease by keeping the white side on the top. I have used light grey color paper so we can't make out the difference much. Now turn the paper and keep the color side on the top and create a cross crease. Open the paper and just a push from the back side and collapse the paper in preliminary base. Now the open side is on the bottom and fold the sides to the center crease line. Make the crease and repeat the same thing for all four sides. Now fold this triangle down. These are just pre-creasing. Now open the flaps and lift one flap up and bring two sides to the center creasing. This is called petal folding. Do the same thing on the other side. This base is called bird base, where you can see two legs and two wings like this. Now bring down one flap from the back side. Keep the model flat and lift one flap like this and flatten it as shown. Do the same thing on the other side. Now fold these two flaps into half like this. Fold the entire model into half. Take the scissors and cut in this portion. Now turn the model and fold in this area as shown. Now fold the model into half. In this portion, we'll cut the paper by leaving 1 to 1.5 centimeter from the flap. And open the flaps and fold it as shown. Fold this flap to the center crease. To create a sharp tip. Origami Aeroplane is done. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.